Looking for a simple and convenient way to earn some extra cash? Look no further. In this video, I'll reveal an incredible opportunity to make easy PayPal money right from your smartphone. This method is perfect for anyone. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity. Watch the video now and start earning easy PayPal money with your smartphone today. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now let's get started. If you're looking for an easy way to earn from surveys, joining the LifePoints community is for you. Complete surveys and earn rewards for sharing your feedback on products and brands we all know and love. With LifePoints, you can earn rewards and gift cards from retailers such as Amazon, Target, and Lowe's. You can even earn PayPal credit by completing surveys on the go from your smartphone or device. LifePoints are a global community available in 45 countries and 26 languages. Sign up is quick and easy. Right after completing the account activation process, you'll receive an email to verify your email address. Filling out your profile with who you are, along with other interests and lifestyle characteristics, helps you qualify for surveys and allows them to match you to the best opportunities to influence and inspire the world around you. The more details you provide, the better the match. As a LifePoints community member, you will be able to complete surveys and take part in games, competitions, and free giveaways. Benefit from all the opportunities waiting for you in your very own survey dashboard. You will find a wide variety of surveys, product tests, polls, and diaries on any number of topics such as health, politics, leisure, and more. Surveys can take anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes on average to complete. Survey reminders will come via email. Right after joining, you'll start receiving invitations to participate. Surveys fill up fast, so be sure to check your inbox regularly. Every time you complete a survey, you'll collect virtual points. They can be redeemed for popular e-gift cards, PayPal credit, and more. The more surveys you complete, the more rewards you earn. In the last year, they've paid over $22 million to the members. Don't miss out on this incredible chance to turn your smartphone into a money-making machine. In the end, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.